Okay, I'm going to be showing you a 1 kettlebell or 2 kettlebell pendulum swing. Walking without walking, like it helps you create this arc. Dip, catch, boom, boom, catch, and bounce. Catch, bounce, catch, bounce, okay? Bunch of different footing as well, but we can start with, we'll start with V footing. So you have to try to find this angle with your arms based on the angle with your feet, and then I'll show you what I footing looks like in this. So let me just start with 1 kettlebell. So it's here, I'm down here. So the kettlebell's going through the gap by me pushing my knees out. Weight to the ball of the foot to counterbalance. Weight on the heels here. Boom. You don't want to hold a lot of tension in your pelvis and your abs. Like, just stay engaged to your breath out. Even like if you shush, hiss, pss, pss, you'll connect to pelvic floor, so support from underneath, and then up into lower abs as well, okay? So that's the V footing, pendulum swing. Chin can stay down, but eyes can look in different ways. Keep your head aligned with your spine. You can turn your head. Like, lots of different things can go on. You don't just have to go straight forward and back, right? You can see I'm like, but my heels are, my V footing keeps me connected. I drive into that. My roots go through my heels. Breath of fire, I can just breathe in and out through the nose. Two kettlebells looks like this. Let me shake it out. Make sure I'm relaxed. And I'm traveling here. The grip on this is a whole different thing with one hand. You're rotating. You can play with what position feels the best. So I'm going at this angle. You can play with the spine a little bit as well. Just see how you feel. And then drop it, and then shake it out whenever you need to. So that's V footing. I footing next. With 1, just create enough space. Once again, if you start to feel your lower back and your pelvis, you can keep the kettlebell in your hand, even little vibrations to help you recover, and then you're back into it. With 2, it's here. And you play with the amount of knee bend and hip bend and pelvic position. Heels are lifting here if I wanted, toes there. I can slow it down a little bit. So speed is up to you. Snail up to rabbit speed. And then playing with those variations. Okay, so the V and the I, pendulum swing, walk without walking, with 1 kettlebell with 2 kettlebells.